Google Go passes 500 million downloads on a Play Store. You know about Google Go? Well,
no.
No. So
Heard of them before.
yeah, so it's actually, you probably heard of Android Go. Android Go is the lightweight version of Android for lower spec hardware in emerging markets. Now, one thing I don't know why it never ended up on my plate, but okay, you're going to have all these other applications that have a similar approach to the entire operating system if the goal here is to provide a lightweight experience. And so that includes the browser. It includes, what was the one I was talking about the other day? Even third-party apps like Instagram Lite, that will be a little bit more lightweight, run a little bit more smoothly, and utilize less data. And so that's what Google Go is. It's the Google equivalent for Android Go. So this particular number, as far as hitting 500 million downloads on a Play Store, is indicative of the popularity of Android Go, the lightweight Android, because it ships on it. But then it's even well above the number of people are also downloading the thing on its own.
I see.
They're also downloading Google Go. Maybe they just want a lightweight experience. Believe it or not, it used to exist as something called Search Lite, which debuted in 2017. I can't believe I didn't hear about it, but I mean, you can utilize such a thing if you choose to. Designed for people with slow connections. So it's a nice little utility for you. I don't know, you're in a spotty situation or you happen to have a slow connection. Just be aware there's an option for you. Reach for Google Go and have a more lightweight experience.